Welcome back to the J&M PRM Take a Tour video series. In this video, we are going to make a to-do list. And I have left the program open so we don't have to go through the login every time. So anyway, we're at our master list. So to make a to-do list, it's very, very simple, but just to explain what's going to happen. See the next date column here? And that some of those dates are red. The system is set up so that as soon as the next contact date hits today, it turns red. So tomorrow, my next contact date's tomorrow, it will turn red. The make a to-do list does exactly that. It goes through and looks for, if you will, the red, and it makes a list of them. It's simple to do. All you do is click the button, and there you have your to-do list with your 3 people on it, your 3 prospects, with their information, how to contact them, why you're supposed to be following up with them, and it also has a drop down that you can say you did in fact follow up with them. Notice up here it says the number of tasks basically left for today is 3, and as you put yes in here, that will update. So let's just say we're going to reach out to Dot today. She's top on the list. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Dot. I'm going to select her name, and I am going to hit find this prospect sheet. So it goes in and it finds Dot's sheet. And so you notice that I have not really done anything with Dot. Apparently she wasn't ready to get a video or anything. I signed her or I entered her as a prospect on 3/1. Now I'm supposed to have followed up with her 3/4. This is my working program, so these dates are going to be all messed up. But in reality, I would never let these things get behind. I do my to-do list every day. The to-do list is very, very important, arguably the most important part of this whole program, simply because doing that exercise every day is going to make you a lot of money in the long run. It is how you stay on top of everything. So we're going to say, okay, we called Dot and we couldn't reach her. That always happens, doesn't it? I mean, it happens so often in this business where you just can't reach them. They're not available. So I am going to make a note that Dot was unavailable. I'll say Dot N/A. These are my notes, so I know what that means. And I'm going to then say, okay, I am going to follow up with her tomorrow and try again. So I would hit continue. And I'm going to put in 3/12/21. And because we came here from the to-do list, I am going to click this radio button. It says go back to the to-do list. I don't want to go to the master list. I want to go to the to-do list. So we're going to say done. And that will take me back to the to-do list. And I can say I tried to reach Dot. So that's done for today. Now we're down to 2. And you can see how that will work its way through. When you have finished, well, before you finish, I might say, notice there's a print button here. You can print this form out and take it with you, maybe to Starbucks or something. If you're like me, I work only from a PC, so I can't really take that with me, but I can sure take my list and work from that. So anyway, when you're finished with this, just hit return to the master list, and it will hide the to-do list, and you are back. And now notice that Dot is changed to 3/12. as her next contact date. So tomorrow that'll turn red again, along with mine, and we will be ready to go. Now, as always, when you are finished with your work for today, you want to definitely save the program because you want all of these changes to be saved. And it is also a very good idea to, every time you save the program here, is to automatically go in and save it to that thumb drive or that flash drive, so that that part of the program or that copy of the program is always up to date. So if you do have a problem here, and you can go pull that up, you haven't lost any of your data. So anyway, that is all there is to the to-do list. And on the next video, we will look at the contact report. So until then, bye-bye.